Hi guys, it's Michelle, and I thought I would do a changing video of Nadia. And she looks really pretty in this outfit, but we thought we'd put something a little more comfortable on. So, she's my sweet, sweet girl. And we're kind of doing a mismatched outfit for Gail Grady. So, I'm going to get her changed. She just got her cloth diaper changed, so we're not going to change her diaper. We're just going to change her outfit. And Nadia is such a sweet baby. She is a baby I got gifted from Hello Dolly Nursery before she passed away. So she's a very special baby to me, not to mention that she is like so beautiful and one of my more lifelike babies. But she has a special place in my heart. I just adore her. Her little hair is kind of wild right now. Can you say hi to everybody, Nadia? Fix your little arms. And she's got this cute onesie on that says "Got Milk." And I'm going to put this long sleeve shirt from Gymboree on. It says "I want a pretty pony." Now when I was a little girl, baby, I loved horses. And my mother told me my first word wasn't mama or dada, it was horse. Because I loved horses so much. And every year I would ask Santa for a horse. And he never brought me one. But sometimes he'd bring me a Breyer horse, those little model horses. But I never got the real one. So I think Nadia likes horses too, huh? And puppy dogs. She's such a pretty baby. She's a good-sized girl. She's the Lulu kit. And I do believe this is a 3 to 6 months onesie that she's wearing. So we're going to snap that up. Anyways, while we're dressing her, I need to show you those little adorable feet. Aren't they adorable? She is such a beautifully painted baby. And now I'm going to put this little skirt on her. I know the pink bow doesn't necessarily match the red, but the pony has pink in it, so I thought it would work. Alright, and I'm going to be right back. I'm going to get some pacifiers for her. And there's a certain brand of pacifier that fits right in her mouth without having to cut it. So I'm going to get one of those and I'll be right back to show you. And we'll be taking some pictures of her in her cute outfit. Hi guys, I'm back and I wanted to show you the pacifier. Now, I forget the name of this pacifier, but this is the brand that fits in the Lulu mouth really well. And you just stick it in there, and it goes right in her mouth. And you don't have to cut the nipple. So, doesn't she look adorable? She's like, I want my thumb in my mouth, Mama. So anyways, I'll be back and I'll have some pictures at the end. So thank you for watching and hope you all have a great day. Bye.